Hello, Jean here from the Inky Studio. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today, I'm going to do a journal share on two journals I just finished, and I used Stamperia Forest pad of scrapbook paper, and they turned out really beautiful. I love this paper. It was so fun to work with. And let's get started. I'm going to show you one of them uh, in detail, and the other one I will go through quickly because they both are essentially the same on the inside. The difference is this one has a squirrel and this one has the nest. So to start out, there is a tag here, and the tag has a little pocket with a couple more little journaling tags inside that pocket there, and that fits down inside. And then there's a nameplate here. You can write directly on this place here, or I'm also going to include another little piece of paper, but you can put anything in there you want. And of course, here's the window of the cute little squirrel. It has a string tie, which you can replace with ribbon or whatever you would like. And here's the back, and the back has a pocket, which is sort of a secret pocket. You really can't really see it, but you could put something down inside where only you know it's there. But there's two tags there. And so we open up, and there is also another pocket right along here, which could also be a secret pocket, because without the little journaling cards, you most likely would not be able to see that. And then we'll undo the flap. And inside are two windowed pocket with some acrylic behind it. And we have a couple of tags stuffed in there, as well as up here on top. This here is a waterfall, and each one has an animal on it, and on the inside you can either put a photograph or do journaling, whichever you would like to do. So I have all these little forest animals all the way through. And then inside here is another slip pocket with a little tag of a little squirrel. He's so cute. All right, and then here is the journal portion. And the journal has 52 pages front and back. It has a cover that is on a heavier cardstock that you can reuse over again if you want to. And this is all completely refillable because the elastic band. There's actually two bands, so you could have, two parts if you wanted to divide up the journal. And it has a combination of digital paper, vintage paper from books, graph paper, tea stain paper. So that is the journal. Then over here we have an envelope that flips out. Well, first of all, here is a journaling card that fits in the side pocket right there, and it flips over. Some more little cards in this little tuck spot, and then inside is another larger journaling card. Here is a tag in this slant pocket, and there's room for more in all these different places. And then here on the inside, of course, is another journaling opportunity, and inside here. Okay, there we go. And then behind this lovely fox pocket, which is so cute, I love the way that turned out, is a large, could be a photo card, it could be whatever you'd like it. And with another pocket there on the side. And there's this lovely deer in the background. All right. And so that then is the journal. Plenty of room to add, more of your memorabilia and for writing, and also It also has, oh, I already showed you the back pocket, yep. And then here's the spine area. All right, so I will go through the nest, and I will go through it quickly just because it's pretty much the same. There's just some variants on the tags. So here is this tag that fits inside with these cute little ones in the pocket. And here are the ones that are put into this side. So yeah, it just only differs in some of the images on the tags and cards, but it is essentially made the same. And then over here are the two tags that fit inside that window pocket. And this window pocket is an oval rather than a square. That's another difference between the two. And this area here is essentially the same. It has the same animals in the flips, and this particular tag has two little foxes there inside that one. The journal's the same, and this is the card inside this pocket here. I'll just leave that out. And here is the tag in a slant pocket. And stuck in here are a couple more. And this one has the same one as the last one. And here is the card in this pocket, and here is the one inside this pocket. Then we have this larger tag. I think I put an eagle on here and used just a different design sheet of paper is all. The fox here and all that is the same. So this is made with a heavy duty file folder, and I've reinforced the spine. And yeah, so these are the two journals. I thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe so that you can see other journals I may be working on in the future. And these will be in my Etsy shop, and they're available for purchase. And thank you so much. We'll talk to you later. Bye.